everybody! Thanks for always coming back to my kitchen. Today we'll be making beef and vegetable sauce. Here is a quick peek at the ingredients we'll be using. What I've done here with the beef is cut them into biteable chunks, okay? So to marinate the beef, I'll season it with about 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, some seasoning, minced ginger and garlic, and about 2 tablespoons of sugar to help in tenderizing the beef. I'll also be adding about a tablespoon sesame oil and a tablespoon soy sauce. Then I'll mix for the ingredients to properly combine, then cover and set that aside. Next, I'll prep the cauliflower and the broccoli. They've been washed already, you just want to break them into smaller florets. I'll also prep the marrow squash. What I want to do now is blanch the cauliflower and the broccoli. So I'll turn the florets into a pot of boiling water and give it about 3 minutes. Then I'll take them out into a bowl of cold water and ice. This will help it to shock and stop the cooking process. I'll repeat the process with the marrow squash. So now get the remaining vegetables ready because it's going to be a speedy walk from here. In a wok, I'll add some vegetable oil and the beef, and I'll saute this on high heat until the beef is all properly cooked. I've cleaned out the wok. I'll add vegetable oil, minced garlic and ginger, onion, and I'll stir fry for about a minute to, allow it to release all its flavors. Then I'll go in with the carrots and stir fry for a bit. Then I'll add the bell peppers. Now I'm doing all of this on high heat because I don't want the veggies to release any juice. If that happens, it'll be soggy and you don't want that, right? I added some sesame oil for extra flavor. Now I'll go in with the beef and I'll just keep stir frying so it doesn't burn. Next, I'll quickly prep the slurry which will serve as the thickener. All I'll need is water, cornstarch, sugar and soy sauce. And I'll pour the slurry in and allow to simmer until it's all thickened up. And our very colorful and delicious sauce is ready. This dish is so quick. The hardest part will be just cutting the vegetables. After that, you're smooth sailing, right? I'm sure you'll give this a try. And please don't forget to subscribe to always get notified on our new post. Thanks for watching. God bless you.